Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. What is the healthiest vegetable to juice? In recent years, juicing has gained widespread popularity among health-conscious individuals looking for a quick and convenient way to boost their nutrient intake. However, if you're new to juicing, you may find it difficult to determine which vegetables to choose. You can juice a wide variety of vegetables, each providing a unique set of nutrients and health benefits. Here are the 8 best vegetables to juice to improve your overall health. Number 1. Kale. Kale is a versatile leafy green with a mild flavor that pairs well with other fruits and veggies in juices. This power-packed ingredient is a great source of several key nutrients, including vitamins A, C, and K. Raw kale is also especially high in antioxidants, including beta-carotene. Antioxidants neutralize harmful molecules called free radicals to help protect against conditions like heart disease. In fact, drinking kale juice has been shown to reduce heart disease risk factors, including LDL, bad cholesterol. Number 2. Beets. In addition to their vibrant color and earthy flavor, beets add a host of health benefits to your daily juice. In terms of nutrition, beets are packed with manganese, potassium, and folate. They're also high in nitrates, a type of natural plant compound with powerful health effects. In fact, studies show that nitrate-rich beetroot juice may improve blood pressure, as well as athletic and mental performance. Not only do beets make a delicious addition to juices, but also their leafy green tops called beet greens are highly nutritious, and can be juiced as well. Number 3. Carrots. Due to their slightly sweet flavor and impressive nutrient profile, carrots are a perfect choice for juicing. They're low in calories and high in vitamin A, biotin, and potassium. What's more, they're loaded with carotenoids, which are plant pigments that work as powerful antioxidants in your body. These include beta-carotene, lycopene, alpha-carotene, and lutein. Studies show that eating a diet rich in carotenoids may be linked to a lower risk of degenerative eye diseases, heart disease, and certain types of cancer, including of the prostate. Number 4. Cabbage. Cabbage may not seem like an obvious choice for juicing, but it's a nutritious and delicious ingredient that works well in juices. Each serving of cabbage is chock full of vitamins K and C, along with other micronutrients like folate, manganese, and vitamin B6. It's also classified as a cruciferous vegetable, and closely related to other veggies like broccoli, kale, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. Studies show that eating more cruciferous vegetables is associated with a lower risk of diabetes, heart disease, and inflammation. Number 5. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that's been tied to various impressive health benefits. In particular, it's an excellent source of key micronutrients, such as potassium and vitamins A, B6, and C. It also contains camphorol, a powerful compound that has been shown to neutralize disease-causing free radicals, decrease inflammation, and reduce cancer cell growth in test tube studies. Number 6. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that brings a mild, fresh flavor to smoothies and juices. It's high in vitamins A and C and delivers a hearty dose of antioxidants like quercetin, camphorol, and lutein. Spinach is also rich in nitrates, which can benefit heart health. One study in 27 people found that consuming spinach for 7 days significantly reduced systolic and diastolic blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease. Number 7. Parsley. Often dismissed as little more than an herb and garnish for cooking, parsley is a great vegetable to use for juicing. Fresh parsley is especially rich in vitamins A, K, and C, which may all contribute to its many health benefits. In one study, giving rats with diabetes parsley extract significantly decreased blood sugar and improved blood antioxidant levels, compared with a control group. Number 8. Cucumbers. Cucumbers have a high water content, making them an excellent addition to your next juice. They're also low in calories yet high in potassium, manganese, and vitamins K and C. Adding cucumbers to your diet can help keep you hydrated, which is crucial to digestive health, kidney function, weight management, and physical performance. In addition, test tube research shows that cucumber extract may help reduce inflammation in skin cells. This makes cucumber juice an excellent choice after days spent in the sun. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.